Jumping into mistake number 3, and this is another common one. In fact, this is something that you will notice extremely frequently. It is the bane of any data scientist's life, and I just hate it when I get data which has merged fields. And look at our spreadsheet over here. So you can see that in this spreadsheet, I have this column called department, where it just says operations. So all of these rows have been clubbed together under one cell, and it says operations. And then so and so forth for sales and for technology. And what this does is that when you have merged fields, it becomes really difficult for you to sort and filter your data. And also, you can't just quickly pick up this value and take it elsewhere, because this doesn't have any distinct value. So this makes it very, very hard to work with data. And the first thing that you want to do is unmerge these fields. So what I will do right now is essentially just click on the merged cell over here. And over here it says merge and center. I will click on this, and it will take the value to the topmost cell over here. I'm going to copy it and then just paste it in all of these cells. And yes, this is not the most elegant way to perform something like this, and there are other ways that you can do this, which are a little bit more complicated, but that's not what is in the scope of this course. Here we are just telling you what are these common mistakes to look out for, and why it's really important for you to fix them. So I fixed it for operations and sales, and again for technology, I'm clicking on the merge cell. I go and click on merge and center. My value gets moved to the topmost cell now, and Control C to copy, and then I select all the cells where this value should exist, and I Control V. And what it does is it just repeats the same value in all of these cells, so that I no longer have merged cells.